Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I really wanted to go and talk to you about the 4, well, maybe 5 different habits that you need to incorporate into your day, and that's going to set your house on auto clean. So that's coming up next. Hi, my name is Danielle, otherwise known as Miss Happy Housewife, and I'm trying to show people there is no such thing as a perfect housewife, just a happier one. So if you want to come along the ride and you want to feel less stressed, overwhelmed, and overall happier with yourself and your house, consider subscribing down below. One of the biggest things that's really changed my house around is putting into a routine where I load and unload the dishwasher. So for me, I load the dishwasher at night, and that's really while I'm cooking. So as I'm cooking, I am putting the dishes that I'm done with and I'm putting them inside of the dishwasher. So I'll load those at night, and right before I go to bed, then I will start the dishwasher. And I find that it's really important for me to do that because when I wake up in the morning, I'm able to unload the dishwasher right then and there. I like doing that because that way I have an empty dishwasher all day long, and instead of putting things inside the sink and it builds up in the sink, it goes right in the dishwasher. And then I don't have to worry about having a messy sink and messy counter space. Is laundry the bane of your existence too? Well, it was mine. And one of the other habits that I formed is I did a load of laundry a day. It wasn't a large load, it was a relatively small load, but that way it was something that I can put inside the washer, then move over to the dryer, and then fold. Do one whole load of laundry from start to finish each day, and then you're not gonna have the big pile of clothes that you did before. Trust me on this. Here's another habit that you can do right now. In fact, the entire time that you have spent watching this video, you could have done this one task. So right next to you, right next to you, there's a table, more than likely. If you take a look at that table, you probably have a lot of stuff that you've just kind of put there because it was convenient. It's called a hotspot. And spending 2 minutes, just 2 minutes inside that hotspot is going to definitely make things look a lot tidier inside of your living room. Now, you generally have a hotspot in almost every single room of your house. Maybe not, no, even in the bathrooms, you have those hotspots. So spending 2 minutes, do it in the morning, do it in the afternoon, do it in the evening, whatever makes sense for you, but just spend 2 minutes there and you're going to start to notice a big difference in your house. The one habit that really started everything is shining the sink. So this is your homework assignment. If you really want to get started with letting your house be on auto clean, then the first thing you need to do is get your sink clean. All you have to do is take all the dishes out of it and put them on the counter and clean the sink. So I'm not saying that you need to go and spend like 30 minutes on this sink. You can if you really want to, but really just getting in there and making it shine. So there's going to be that one spot in every room that you're going to be super, super proud of, and it's going to be that sink for your kitchen. But really everything starts with that sink. So get in there, remove all the dishes if you have to, and get your sink shiny. Do it at the end of each night, and you're going to find you're not going to want to put stuff inside that sink at all. Hopefully that helps a little bit. These are going to be things you're going to want to take slow until you build them into a habit. But once you do have them in a habit, then you can start adding things, an extra 15 minutes there. But there you can start adding things. But it's these simple habits that are going to really put your house on auto clean. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.